Yes, we have a leak in our toilet. So, I have to change it. What's happening is we have a gasket. This is the inlet that lets the water into the tank, and right there, it's leaking. I'm guessing that it's old now and the gasket is gone, so I bought a new kit this morning. Noticed it last night. The floor was a bit wet here, and found it to be right there. So maybe it was over tightened a long time ago and the gasket gave up, so it's leaking. So I got up this morning early, went to Home Depot and bought a kit. So I'm going to change out the whole entire inside so we won't have this problem. And this is the old parts, you can tell. There are things you will need: glove, a bucket, catch any extra water that's still in the tank, and the kit. This kit comes with everything that you will need. Easy install. It's like 1, 2, 3 install. It's really easy. You can get this at Home Depot or at any hardware store. Pretty straightforward to do. And you will also possibly need a towel. So my towel's already down because that's the area I will be working. Okay, so step 1 is to turn off the water. Probably see it there. So there's a little valve there. Most bathrooms are all the same. So you're going to turn off the valve. 2. Step 2 is to flush your toilet. Let the extra water that's in the tank go down. And hold the handle so it goes all the way as low as possible. From there, you're going to have the little residue of water at the bottom of the tank, and that's going to come out once you loosen here. So you get your towel ready and a bucket. So hopefully the lighting is good for you guys to see what I'm doing. I'm going to loosen this. And here comes the water dripping out. It's a tight area. I can't get the bucket underneath there. Tried. Look at this towel. Sorry about that. I had to go into the garage to get my tool because I needed a vice grip. Because of that, this part was really tight. This is probably the reason why it's leaking now, because it was over tight. Don't think you have to tighten that much. Bucket there, hopefully catch. water's out, and we are going to install the new one. There's all the stuff that's in the box. A new toilet valve and floaty tube, the water inlet tube, your gasket, and the nut to tighten it. Let's get in. So this part here allows you to raise the water level and how much water you want in your toilet. Right now I have it like at 10.5. Somewhere around there. How much liters that is, I could not tell you right now, but we're going to put it there. We're going to start there. If that's not high enough for you, all you have to do is pull up this sleeve and pull this upwards. The higher you go, the more water is going to go into your tank. So we are doing 10 to try to conserve water. Let's get our gasket ready. This is a hand tight tool. When the reason why it probably leaked, somebody probably used a wrench on it and over tightened it. The gasket got old and leaked. So this gasket, as you can see, there's a lip on it. This goes right in the hole, face down. Okay, so it's going to create a nice seal. Right on the bottom of here. So flush with the bottom of the valve and the little lip will be in the hole. So just like that. Take this little nut and put it here. Remember, the slower it's going to go. The higher, the faster. This part goes into here, and this sits right on here. We have everything lined up. Plus negative, so if I turn this way, slower fill, higher up, faster fill. Okay, so we're going to leave it at max, and everything is right where I want it. And now in here, I didn't need to change the close valve. This is fairly in good shape. I looked at it before I went to Home Depot, and everything else is great. So let's go down at the bottom of the toilet. So we are on the bottom side of the tank, and see, you can see I installed here the new nut, and this is still in great shape. We're going to connect this back. So now everything is connected. You just have to turn back on. Just make sure again. Turn back on the valve down here and look for any leaks. So let's do so. Looking for leaks. No leaks. So the valve is going up and it shuts off the water. Perfect. Perfect. So now we are going to double check again to make sure there's no leaks. No leaks anywhere. Ground is dry. And that's it, my friends. We are complete. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Funny. Alright, well, leave your comments. Please like and subscribe because there's more videos to come. Thank you. And peace out.